What day is your birthday?
My birthday is on the 14th of March.
Where will the party be held?
The party will be at my house.
What kind of cake did you order?
I ordered a chocolate cake with strawberries.
Who is bringing the decorations?
My cousin is bringing the decorations.
How many guests are invited?
Around 20 guests are invited.
What theme did you choose for the party?
I chose a superhero theme for the party.
Who is organizing the games?
My friend is organizing the games.
What time does the party start?
The party starts at 6 in the evening.
Which gift did you like the most?
I like the watch my brother gave me the most.
Who made the food for the party?
My mother made the food for the party.
What drinks are served?
Juice and soft drinks are served.
Who is taking photos at the party?
My uncle is taking photos at the party.
What did you wear for the party?
I wore a blue dress for the party.
Who helped you decorate the room?
My sister helped me decorate the room.
What songs were played at the party?
Pop songs and birthday songs were played.
Who gave the first gift?
My best friend gave the first gift.
What flavor was the cake?
The cake was vanilla with cream.
How did you cut the cake?
I cut the cake with a big knife while everyone sang.
Who blew the balloons?
The children blew the balloons.
What games did you play?
We played musical chairs and passing the parcel.
What snacks were served?
Sandwiches and chips were served.
Who made the birthday card?
My niece made the birthday card.
What did your friends bring?
My friends brought toys and books.
Who gave a speech at the party?
My father gave a short speech at the party.
What was your favorite moment?
My favorite moment was cutting the cake.
Who lit the candles?
My brother lit the candles.
What gifts did you receive?
I received clothes, toys, and perfumes.
Who was the first guest to arrive?
My teacher was the first guest to arrive.
What did you eat first?
I ate a slice of cake first.
Who stayed until the end of the party?
My cousin stayed until the end of the party.
What did you give the guests?
I gave the guests return gifts.
Who danced the most?
My friends danced the most.
What was the funniest part of the party?
The funniest part was when balloons popped suddenly.
Who prepared the invitation cards?
I prepared the invitation cards.
What kind of music did the DJ play?
The DJ played dance music.
Who was the last guest to leave?
My neighbor was the last guest to leave.
What present did your parents give you?
My parents gave me a bicycle.
Who sang happy birthday the loudest?
The kids sang happy birthday the loudest.
What did your best friend wear?
My best friend wore a red shirt.
Who cut the cake with you?
My little sister cut the cake with me.
What did you blow after making a wish?
I blew the candles after making a wish.
Who clapped the most?
The children clapped the most.
What did you wish for?
I wished for happiness and success.
Who helped you clean up after the party?
My cousins helped me clean up after the party.
What did the kids do at the party?
The kids played with balloons at the party.
Who ate the biggest slice of cake?
My uncle ate the biggest slice of cake.
What songs did you dance to?
We danced to pop and disco songs.
Who decorated the birthday table?
My aunt decorated the birthday table.
What did you do after the guests left?
I opened the gifts after the guests left.
Who took the group photo?
My brother took the group photo.
What did you feel during the party?
I felt very happy during the party.
Who brought the ice cream?
My cousin brought the ice cream.
What flavor ice cream was served?
Vanilla and chocolate ice cream was served.
Who was the funniest guest?
My friend Allie was the funniest guest.
What did the children receive as gifts?
The children received small toys as gifts.
Who gave you flowers?
My teacher gave me flowers.
What message was written on the cake?
Happy birthday, Altaf was written on the cake.
Who organized the dance floor?
My friend organized the dance floor.
What time did the party end?
The party ended at 10 at night.
Who made the party hats?
My cousin made the party hats.
What snacks did the children like?
The children liked popcorn and chips.
Who gave the most expensive gift?
My uncle gave the most expensive gift.
What did you drink at the party?
I drank orange juice at the party.
Who blew up the candles again?
My niece blew up the candles again.
What did the guests say about the party?
The guests said the party was wonderful.
Who gave a handmade gift?
My friend gave a handmade painting.
What did you do before the party?
I decorated the house before the party.
Who served the food?
My sister served the food.
What was the color of the balloons?
The balloons were red and yellow.
Who played the guitar?
My cousin played the guitar.
What gifts did your friends bring?
My friends brought watches and perfumes.
Who helped with the chairs?
My brother helped with the chairs.
What song was played while cutting the cake?
The birthday song was played while cutting the cake.
Who made the return gifts?
My aunt made the return gifts.
What did you do after cutting the cake?
I gave cake slices to everyone after cutting the cake.
Who shared the cake first?
My mother shared the cake first.
What did you feel after the party ended?
I felt tired but happy after the party ended.
Who carried the gifts to your room?
My brother carried the gifts to my room.
What did your cousins do at the party?
My cousins danced and played games at the party.
Who wished you first in the morning?
My best friend wished me first in the morning.
What color was your birthday dress?
My birthday dress was blue.
Who organized the seating?
My father organized the seating.
What was the funniest gift?
A singing toy was the funniest gift.
Who cleaned the floor after the party?
My aunt cleaned the floor after the party.
What did your grandparents bring?
My grandparents brought sweets and clothes.
Who made the birthday banner?
My niece made the birthday banner.
What did your friends write in the cards?
My friends wrote warm wishes in the cards.
Who opened the door for guests?
My sister opened the door for guests.
What was the best food at the party?
Pizza was the best food at the party.
Who gave chocolates?
My friend gave chocolates.
What time did the first guest arrive?
The first guest arrived at 5:30.
Who played with balloons the most?
The little kids played with balloons the most.
What did you do the next day?
I thanked everyone the next day.
Who took the leftover food home?
My cousin took the leftover food home.
What was the best surprise?
The best surprise was my friend's visit.
Who hugged you the most?
My mother hugged me the most.
What did you receive from your teacher?
I received a pen from my teacher.
Who gave the longest wish?
My best friend gave the longest wish.
What was the last thing you did?
The last thing I did was pack the gifts.